The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G emerges as a compelling mid-range option in Samsung's A series lineup, blending refined aesthetics with solid core features. Launched in early 2025, it succeeds the popular A55 by offering incremental yet meaningful upgrades across display, camera, battery, and software. With a sub-$500 price tag, around £499, the A56 aims to attract budget-conscious buyers who seek a near-premium experience without stretching into flagship territory. Design and display. Visually, the Galaxy A56 5G adopts a sleek, minimalist look characterized by a linear camera housing and 4 muted colorways: awesome graphite, light gray, olive, and pink. The device measures 162.2 by 77.5 by 7.4 millimeters and weighs 198 g, striking a balance between screen real estate and one-handed comfort. Its front is dominated by a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 1080 by 2340 resolution, HDR10+ support, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, switchable between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front protection and an IP68 rating ensure durability against scratches, drops, dust, and water submersion up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes. Camera. Samsung equips the A56 5G with a versatile triple-lens rear setup, a 50MP main sensor, f/1.8, PDAF, OIS, a 12MP ultrawide, f/2.2, 123 degrees, and a 5MP macro lens, f/2.4. The main camera delivers crisp daylight shots with accurate color reproduction, while OIS helps stabilize 4K video at 30 frames per second and Full HD at up to 60 frames per second. The ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes with minimal distortion, though low-light performance on secondary shooters remains modest. Up front, a 12MP selfie camera, f/2.2, captures detailed portraits and supports 4K video recording, enhanced by Samsung's Super HDR and AI-driven best face features for group shots. Software and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G runs on an octa-core Exynos chipset. Most sources identify it as the Exynos 1580, paired with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Daily tasks such as social media browsing, video playback, and light gaming are handled smoothly thanks to efficient thermal management and the option of up to 6 major Android OS upgrades plus 6 years of security patches. One UI 7, based on Android 15, introduces a refreshed interface, streamlined navigation gestures, and helpful AI tools like Circle to Search, Object Eraser, and custom filter creation. Battery life. A sizable 5,000 mAh battery powers the A56, delivering all-day endurance under moderate to heavy usage. In our testing, the phone easily surpassed 10+ hours of screen-on time in mixed-use scenarios, web browsing, video streaming, and light gaming, outperforming many competitors in its segment. Samsung's 45-watt wired fast charging replenishes up to 65% in approximately 30 minutes and reaches a full charge in around 68 minutes. Although the fast charger must be purchased separately, as the retail box includes only a USB-C cable and adapter. Connectivity. The A56 5G supports a broad array of modern connectivity options: sub-6 GHz 5G bands, eSIM functionality, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and a USB-C 2.0 port with OTG support. Dual SIM capability and GNSS, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo ensure reliable location services, while Samsung's QuickShare and Nearby Share streamline large file transfers between Galaxy devices and even cross-platform peers.